Hey, this will be a short one. That's a special individual instruction for my wife. If you get a tire pressure notification, firstly check which tire is it. In the tire pressure menu, we can see that the front right tire is slightly flat. I have the tire pressure monitoring system installed. This system is quite precise, with a deviation of 10 to 15%, since it uses the pressure sensors located at each of the wheel. In one of my next videos, I will show you how to retrofit the tire pressure monitoring system. Let's get back to the car. Check the tire pressure sticker located at the driver's entrance. Front tire should be 2.2 bars and the rear ones 2.6 bars. Set up the required pressure and inflate the tire. Normally the pressure settings are already saved in vehicle, but if you like to save the new pressure settings, you can do it in two ways, using the notification menu or through the settings menu. Press Perform Reset and give it a drive for the system to save the settings. That's it, and see you on the next one.